right, guys, I'm so excited. This is the first edition of ProbabaFX Trading Summit. Ikeja, Radisson, let's go. Okay, before you trade Forex, you need a broker. Broker is just like your bank. Now them go collect your money, change them to dollars, put them for your account. You understand? So they are in between you and the market. So it's a must, you must use a broker. You can be using SNES, another person is using another broker. You guys open trade the same time. You notice that this person makes more profit than you. You guys open the trade the same time. It's because of the platform. So I'm not here to tell you this broker I'm bringing to you is the best. I use a lot of broker before I sell the broker. I don't just sell any broker. I've worked for more than 15 brokers. So this broker I'm about telling you now, it's a broker that I trust. It's called TickMill. So how do you know a good broker? Read, please.
Stay up to date with market trends and developments.
They always give you news about current trends, like USD is going to do this. In your email, you get it. All those analyses, you get it. That's how to know a good broker. Not every broker does it. Some would be like, so far as they trade, just they trade, they go. Some people, they have a mindset of registering, investing and getting their money instantly, while some want to keep it there and grow. So some brokers will want to know what exactly you want before you can even open an account with them. It's part of the questions they ask. That's how to know a good broker. Because they will not go want to make you lose your money. Because if you lose your money, you're gone. You will not fund again. That's a big discouragement for you. Okay, communicate regularly. If they change something for their system, they go send you mail. Anything they do that is different from what you know on the platform, they always communicate to you. They can tell you, we are changing this spread, we are doing this, we are doing that. Sorry, I didn't mention initially. Spread is where everything happens, like where the candle moves. It's called spread. They have different things you can trade. Gold is different from commodities, US 30, currency pairs. They have a whole lot. They are not, some brokers is just only currency pairs they offer, but some, they have different things you can trade on that platform. Bitcoin, anything you want to trade is on the platform. They have various options. That's what it means. They tell you this is what they do and that is what they do. That's integrity. And they keep, because all what you put in there is data. Your date of birth, your personal information, that's what you give to them. So they don't carry it and go and give another person. They keep it secured, except now you go say, okay, you go expose your data. So they keep your data, that security is there. TickMill, putting traders first, that's their objective. Like you before us. Waiting you want, what do you want before we get in? Every broker would tell you that you are first. They are first. They go first collect their money before they give you waiting they want to give you. But TickMill is not about that. I'm not trying to hype them, but I've used the platform for a while. I can tell with other platforms I've used. So that's the reason why I'm pushing TickMill. That's why you don't see me push a lot of brokers at the same time. If I notice, say, these guys are not good tomorrow, I will still inform my people. Please leave this platform. They are not doing what they are saying. This is what happened. Because there are some certain events that will happen in the market. Your money go just, you will not understand what happened. Am I lying? You just see that your money has gone. That's called market manipulation, and a lot of brokers do that. And they do that to large accounts, $15,000, $20,000. You see, we don't come down to 5,000. That's called market manipulation. So when I notice that in a broker, I dey comot everybody from that broker. Sharp. You understand? So, and that is a bad market for them because they're going to lose clients. So any broker that wants to make money has that integrity, and their platform should be top notch. And Tickmill is one of them. Putting traders first. I've used them for a while. I used them for like a month and some weeks before I agreed to even put them into my seminar. So Tickmill is a nice one if you want to choose a broker. That's how you know a good broker. They know they one place. Plenty broker na Cyprus. They are just in Cyprus where there is no regulation. So anything if it happen tomorrow, your money lost, who you want hold? You don't have anybody to hold responsible. That's why we have regulation. And these regulations are coming. Even many of them in Nigeria here are not regulated. That's the reason why they can manipulate your money and wipe your money. And there was something that happened with one broker. I'm not going to mention the broker's name. About 12 of my accounts that day left, as in something happened in the market. There was a very serious move. I noticed that I went to check other platform, because on my phone I have different brokers I trade with. I checked other brokers. Supposing that thing will happen now, let's say it's a massive bearish movement. It happened like, let's say this is the length of what happened from here to here. Then that broker I was using went beyond, let's say times 3 of this thing. That's to say, una must lose una money. I screenshotted that stuff because we don't fight brokers. You get the only thing we just tell people, don't use this. We tell you what to use, but you can't start fighting a broker. We don't do that. So that broker, everything stopped here. In other brokers, I saw that day I wanted to run mad. I lost over $80,000. No jokes. Yes, $80,000. So it was, my integrity was at stake. But people will not understand. Do you understand? They might not understand. That's the reason why before I work with any broker, you must have that integrity. I know one year a person lose money. If the market, you should not be an B book broker. We have A book and we have B book. A books are the ones that you trade directly to the market, whether you lose or na market you trade. But B books, they stand in between you and the market. So they decide how much to give to you and how much to collect. And they can manipulate your spread. So I don't work, this is an A-book broker. Many of their services are different from different brokers. That is the education part of it. A lot of people say, I'm with this broker. Waiting the broker they offer you. Do you know the in-depth of that broker? So Tickmill, I've studied them for a while, except then go change. If then go change, me, I go pull out too. You get? But for now, they are good. I've traded with them more than a month before I put up this event. This event was supposed to be for January, but I was still studying them, trying to see how this platform works before I can start introducing people into the broker. So Tickmill is a broker I will advise people use. I spoke about regulations. They have 5 good regulations. Read.
Such as Financial Services Authority.
Okay.
Financial Conduct Authority, FC.
In UK. So they are regulated in UK. If you are in UK, you can use them. Some brokers are not regulated. Like if you're a broker in US, before you become a broker, it's very difficult because they have regulations. You know, they don't take rubbish. It's a country that has a system working. You cannot say you're a broker, you just come to US and start offering services. No, you must have some certain regulations before you'll be able to, and you must have regulations in other parts of the country, not just you have only here, you have only there. You get? And this will have about 4, 5. Okay, proceed.
Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, Europe. Financial Sector Conduct Authority, South Africa. Lubuan Financial Services Authority, Asia.
So these are, and they have been there for over 20 years. So these are people that are doing business. Companies that have stayed over 20 years, their trust is very high. They know they beg you whether make you come put money, because around the globe, they have funds in that system. So no be your $100 or $200, then they fine. You understand? So this is a trusted broker. That's the reason why I'm bringing it to you guys. So go ahead.
As the major sponsor of this summit, Tickmill is giving 2 lucky traders a sum of $500 each to trade on the platform.
Which is what we are going to do. Okay, as I speak, hello. Pass the paper around. Write all your names. Write your names in the paper. When you write your name, you squeeze the paper. Squeeze it. Squeeze it very well. Squeeze it. You know, right? You know, one collect $500.
$US each to trade on the platform.
Which is what we are going to do. Okay, as I speak, hello. Pass the paper around. Write all your names. Write your names in the paper. When you write your name, you squeeze the paper. Squeeze it. Squeeze it very well. Squeeze it. You know, right? You know, one collect $500. Has everyone written their names? Okay, prior this, I think there was an exercise that you should, if you want to qualify for the $1,000, you should click a link, and there are things you do. How many of us did that? Okay, so this is for those people that did that. I like to keep to my word. I no go carry and go give person when you do that thing. Did you do it? Okay, so let me have that.
There was utility, there was a place for utility.
So far as you registered, those ones can come later. Come. Pick one.
Should I open it?
Yeah, open it and call the name. Please, Famvi, get that plaque. Who has a good writing here? Rogedi, do you have a good writing? You have a good writing, right? Okay. What name is there?
GBS Music.
Who is JBS Music? Get the plaque, get the plaque. Please write his name here on it fast.
Yes, you don't feature the chat.
Odun, have this. The thing no one make we give the 500 though. If like say we go carry and go back. Oh. All right. So put his name on it. JBS Music. On the space, the empty space. You can go do that at the back, please. Yeah, yeah, there.
What do you call it?
JBS.
You know Bible school.
JBS
Music.
Okay, while he's doing that, let's go for the second person. Just they pray. Just they pray. They pray. Oh, they pray. Oh, goodness. Shake it too. Scatter it. Okay. Time don't reach you. Now they need the prophecy.
If you need prophecy, sow your seed.
What name is there?
John Busayo.
Who is John Busayo?
John Busayo.
A round of applause, please. Put his name on there too.
John.
Then please, we have to take a quick photo session with that.
Say it's soft. Give this political less privilege.
All right, guys, you'll be getting more of this from me. I do a whole lot of giveaway. That is how I try to help people out there. And most of the people I give you, when I do giveaway on Instagram, I expect you to put in that money into trading or acquire a knowledge with it. On behalf of Tickmill, I present this $500 to John Busayo. Can you give a round of applause to him? You're welcome. Take this money, go trade, I beg. If you want to withdraw it, you can withdraw it. But if you want to trade with it, you can trade with it. It will be deposited in your account by Monday. Okay? Monday morning, you will get it in your trading account. Thank you. On behalf of Tickmill, I present this $500 to you, JBS Music. And we hope to see you grow in Forex trading. Thank you, and God bless you. If you're a speaker, during your comfort, find the comfort. So make we sit down like on that too, because we don't stand.
So sorry, I want to ask.
Okay.
Like regards to the robots,
Okay.
I don't know, do you need anything like RPP to?
Yeah, not RDP per se. It's called VPS, Virtual Private Server. Yeah, we buy that. That's about 40K or thereabout. You buy it separately. It runs for they have a subscription for 6 months. They have the one for 1 year. Yeah. So you can buy as much the one you want. They have the ones for, you can run 4 accounts in it. You can run 2 accounts in it. Depends. You get? So you buy it. Some people like me to buy it for them, but I prefer you do everything so that you have an idea. Not tomorrow you say you gave Probaba money and I lose my, you get? No, I avoid that. My integrity is very important. Okay.
How about the settings?
I would be the one to configure it.
It doesn't change.
It remains that way. Depends on your account, your capital. It determines the kind of settings I'm going to put on it. Yeah. It's Swift. It's Swift. I've used them. It's Swift. It doesn't take more than a day. No. That's a Derif, right? Derif does that. No, not Derif. Minimum is $100.
You don't have another account, Some brokers have 2 accounts.
Yeah.
One to be tight spreads.
Yeah.
Some
No spread. Yeah, they have different accounts. That's when you want to really trade. I would recommend the account you're going to open. I said before now. I said that before now. I don't put everybody in that channel. So you chat me up. I'll know if you're serious. You have to have an account running before you can get into that channel. You can, prop account. No, prop account is not allowed in that channel. Yeah. I don't put people that trade prop account. You must be trading with Tickmill for you to be in that channel.
I am JBS, and today's experience is just so exciting and super amazing. And I want to say a very big thank you to ProbabaFX and also Tickmill. And amazingly, I am one of the winner of the $1,000. I want to say a very big thank you. I've learned a lot in this summit. I want to say a very big thank you to Tickmill and ProbabaFX. Thank you so much.
My name is Michael Fashion, and my experience with Probaba and the Tickmill has been very great. I'm very excited to be here, and I'm hopeful for the future.
Thank you. My name is John Busayo. Big shout out to TickMail and ProBaba. You know, today's seminar was awesome. You know, was educative. I learned a lot. You know, and luckily for me, I'm one of the lucky winners. You know, to win $500 today. You know, big shout out to ProBaba and big shout out to TickMail for their good work. You know, their impact. You know, this is great, and I really appreciate them. You know. We all know trading is not a joy, it's not a day journey. So we need learning, and we learn, we earn. So that's it. Thank you.
ProbabaFX shop for you.